Natural Science Experiments. And today we are going to be doing, what is that?
The Starry Sky.
The Starry Sky!
The Starry Sky experiment. So, can you tell us what ingredients we have today, Professor Edge?
We have a chopstick, we lost my sewing stick, and we have blue food coloring. And what is this again?
It's called a flask.
It's called a canonical flask.
Canonical flask. Wow, you remember that word.
And this is sugar, and I cannot eat.
No.
And this is water.
Yes, we have some warm water. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is making a starry sky effect with the sugar, the warm water, and the blue food coloring. So, Edge, can you take the sugar first and carefully pour it into the flask?
With soya?
No, you can just pour it in. No, the flask. Hold the flask while you pour it. There we go.
Sure.
Okay, now let's go ahead and you're going to take the water. Take the water and hold the flask at the same time so it doesn't spill. There you go, and pour the water in. All the way. There you go. There you go.
All of it?
All of it, yep. There we go. Wow. Okay, cool. Now I want you to take your stirring stick and I want you to stir it. Like really stir it. So hold on. There we go. Keep stirring. Because what we're trying to do now is we're trying to combine the sugar and the water, and then it's going to create a really cool effect after. All right, we're going to count to 20, and then after 20, you're going to stop stirring. Okay, so keep stirring. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
18.
19, 20. All right. Now go ahead and take the stirring stick out. I want you to now take the blue food coloring and put a little bit of food coloring in it. Okay, it's enough. There we go. All right. Now I want you to take the stirring stick again and gently stir it this time, and you're gonna see that it's gonna create a starry sky effect. So gently stir the top. There we go. All right. Now go ahead and.
Whoa!
Now hold it up. Pick up the canonical flask and hold it up. All right, let's get a closer view of this. So if you could see the bottom of it. Hold it a little lower. There we go. So as you can see, the bottom part of it is a little bit lighter, and it creates a starry sky effect.
But why?
Because according to this, the granulated sugar is highly soluble in hot water, and after leaving it for some time, the temperature decreases, and then it pretty much creates a really, really nice effect. See? Like that. Why don't you stir it some more? Go back to your table and stir it some more.
Okay, what should I do now?
Stir it a little bit more.
Wait, cool it fast?
Yeah, but...
La 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 la.
All right, let go. All right, now why don't you bring the flask closer to the camera so people could see. Here we go. Let's see if we got the effect. Yeah, I can kind of see it. There we go. I can kind of see the effect. All right, Professor Edge, so what did we learn today?
We learned that the blue sky can move around, make it open.
Yes. Okay, well, is there anything you want to tell your audience before we clean up?
Thank you for watching my video, and it's not my birthday anymore.
It's not your birthday anymore. All right.